Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a template in Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or join as a guest as I did, but of course you can go and choose that then. Now, let's see how you can actually go and what we actually have in front of us here. So we have the Explore tab, we have the Wallpaper tab. We also here, guys, as you can see, have the More tab, where you can see some more things about your profile and go and join if you want, of course. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a template in Widgetable. So as you can see, what you can do actually go to the, of course, as you can see, wallpaper. And here, guys, you have a lot of wallpaper templates that you can go and choose. Here we have, as you can see, the featured. We have the flower ones, where you can see only flowers. We have photos, where you can put some photos. Automatic, which you can go as you can see, friends wallpaper. We have matching, where you can have some matching wallpapers with other person. Dark, etc, etc. Then you just need to go and choose the one that you actually want to go and use, of course. As you can see, the variety of them is enormous, so you can go and find the one that you like probably. So guys, after that, you just need to click on the wallpaper, then save it, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.